Hey YouTube, what is up? Just thought I'd show you guys my air ducts in my house. I was kind of bored a little bit, so I just thought I'd make another video for you guys. Anyways, here we are. This is the first air duct in the front of the house. Pretty good size. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, we're gonna, over here in the living room. This is the second one. Another one over here. Over here is the family room. This is another duct. And this one's closed because my dad doesn't like the heat very much. And so we shut this one just for him. And now we're going to walk over to the kitchen. And here's a duct right here. This is a good one. Yep, light from one of the hallways. Over in here's the bathroom. Here's another duct, which is pretty good. I come down here, and we're gonna come into the guest room, which is right next to my bedroom. Here's a duct right here. Now we'll go to my bedroom really fast. Over here is mine. Right here. Works pretty well. I like it. And we're going to come over here to the master bedroom. Here's one of the kitties. Hi, kitty. Today is their birthday. So, yeah, today is November 30th, 2010. Yep, here's another one in the bedroom, and now in the master bathroom. Here's another one. And there's the other kitty. He's a good boy. Yep, this is Capone. He's a good kitty. He's a good boy. And that over there is Cookie. She's just laying right here. She wants to play, but I'm not going to play with her right now. Alright. Well, let me go. One last shot of her really quick. There you go. Alright, Cookie. Yep, they are they're a year old today. They were born last year. So, yeah, they're good kitty cats. Love them. Alright guys, last duct is the return. And just so you all may notice, I made a video of the furnace starting up last week. So, this return, we just changed the filter like 2-3 weeks ago. And so, alright, one last twirl, then we'll stop. Okay. Yeah, guys, and then here is the thermostat. Another light, and another light. Yep, that's about it. Yeah, guys, I just want to show you guys my, ducks in the house. I'll be sure to make another video probably soon. So, yeah, guys, that's about it. If you guys want me to do any certain videos on my system, on my air conditioner and heating system, I will be happy to talk about it and all that stuff. So, yeah. All right, guys, that's it. I will see you guys sometime soon, maybe sometime this week. So yeah, thank you all very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.